Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set display refresh rate in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. From there, go to System and click on Display. Under Related Settings, click on Advanced Display. Then, at Selected Display to view or change its settings. Make sure you have the correct display selected if you have a multi-monitor setup. Lastly, go to Choose a refresh rate, and select the refresh rate you want based on your preference and your monitor's capability. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.